my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content. So if you are looking for synthetic wig related content, you have found it. And you should subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. If you're a doll baby, then you're awesome. And you know, I appreciate you so much. Today I am doing just a small little haul. Most of these are name brand wigs, and I bought everything here myself. So I have purchased everything here myself. So let's go ahead and share and show you what I hold. Okay, so the first thing I got was another one. You've seen a couple of these in different hauls. This is the Color Splash wrap from Hairdo. Okay, and it's in the color R10 dark purple. I got it from Wig Outlet for $12.95, and then I had either 20 or 30% off, and it's, you can see it's just like this, and it's a scrunchie where you can put your you know, I've been trying to do styling with the wigs, so it just gives a little something for some wig that was just like a natural brown color, and adding just a little splash of color. So I got that. Next, I also got from Wig Outlet, and this is a snap bang crown. It's a human hair snap in bangs. Okay, they're in the color number 4. It's from Vivica Fox, and my idea for this, and it says it has full crown coverage. You can see that. And my idea for this, I got it from Wig Outlet for $11.95, and again, I either had 20 or 30% off. I didn't note that, so I'm not positive. It's attached in here, which is fine. You can see it has these 3 combs here, which are the bendy combs, and then it has the bangs. What I want to do with this is I want to try to use this on a full cap wig and see if it's a way for me to hide that front bulkiness and to make it look a little bit more natural, if that is a way that you can make a full cap wig work, whether it's just with the snap and bang or snap and bang and like a headband. I don't know, but that's what I plan to use this for. So if you want to see that type of video sooner rather than later, please put that down below. I only have 3 wigs to share with you today, so let's start with this Renee Paris. This one is a Renee Paris as well. This one is Adeline, and so here we have Anastasia, and I have her in the color Melted Marshmallow. I have another wig that I did a review on that should be up, and I also have her in the Melted Marshmallow color, and I absolutely love it, so I'm so excited. This one was from Wig Outlet, and it was just $48.95 with either 20 or 30% off, so that's like a steal. Steal! OMG. Really? It is a full cap wig, no comb, adjustable straps. There is bangs in the front. There's a slight bit of permatease, but really not much at all. My goodness, this is gonna be cute. It doesn't look cute, but I think it's gonna be cute. I'm not saying it doesn't look cute, but you can't really tell. But the color is definitely like a yaki texture, but it's a nice density. I am so excited for this one. So I'm gonna probably leave this one out so that I can review it sooner rather than later. The price on that is a steal, because I mean, $50 with, and these are name brand wigs. These are wigs that run 100, 200, 300 plus. So $50 with even, like, you know, with 30% off is such a good deal. I got a wig from Wig Pro. I haven't tried this brand yet, and this is Liana, and I have her in the color 829 R2. So it seems like it would be a dark root. And I got her from Wig Outlet for $59.95 with either the 20 or the 30% off. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. So she's the full cap wig again, but wow, like that is just, I feel like I want to try that now almost. The curls on this and how it feels is really nice. Definitely leaving her out. Excited about that. The color mix on that is just so stunning. It's got like, it does have the darker root, but it's kind of hidden a little bit. It's not as pronounced. It's more sombreed in there. And then you have the caramels, sort of the, you know, mocha brown. And then there is these like light pieces too, just peppered in a little bit. And it is just so pretty. So that's her. And then last but not least, I got one from Wille. And this is Rule. I have her in the color Mocha Mix. It's in this gorgeous, gorgeous box. Or just do that. Just do that, Tia. The box is stunning. I've been doing this new brow technique where I make it look like I actually have brow strokes. If you want a tutorial on that, I can do that because my other brow tutorials definitely weren't looking like this. I really like it. It's giving me bushy brow situation, but I kind of like it. I scooped her up from Wig Outlet for $109.95 and either 20 or 30% off. This one's definitely a silky texture, and that's what she looks like. It's really pretty though. She has the full cap, but it has that like little lace at the parting at the crown. So you can customize how it moves right here, which is kind of cool. And yeah, that one's so pretty with these longer layers. So yeah, so that is there. So that is what I got. If there's any of these wigs you would rather see sooner rather than later, go ahead and put that down below. If there's another name brand wig you would like me to review, also put that down below. If you like wig hauls in general, go ahead and put that down below. And also hit the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thanks so much. Yeah, thanks so much. I don't know what's happening. I don't know. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.